Avalanche is one of the best performing coins that we've seen today, topping out at nearly a 5% profit earlier today. However, it looks like we could be heading back down soon. We're going to be talking about that in today's video, but first I do want to let you know, let me bring this over here, that our members do have a brand new trade setup that they have access to. This will be a potential 4% profit, and currently we are 15 wins, 0 losses. So if you want to get access to this trade, be sure to sign up for a membership at the link in the description below. And as a bonus, all members have access to this brand new crypto forecast video where Travis, the founder of Trade Confident, will show you where he thinks this crash will stop. Again, links are in the description for the membership. More on that later, but for now, let's get into the analysis. Here we are on the TradeConfident.io website. I'm going to take you over to Avalanche. The first metric we're going to be taking a look at is the emotional index, and you can see that the emotional index has pushed way high up into greedy territory. Most often we see that happening, as we saw right here, and just a little bit right here, we get moves down in the market. This one right here was actually a pretty big move, and I expect the same to happen as we've pushed really high into greedy. The price is super high up, right at about the same place that we were last time we got greedy readings, and with that, the subsequent move down should be happening soon. From there, we got to move down to the Avalanche Volatility Breakout Detector, and you can see this is the first coin in our lineup to hit actually high volatility in a very long time. We had been in a period of low volatility, however, after low volatility most often is where we're going to see those impulse moves, and that's exactly what we got in today's market. Within the last couple of days, we have gained a significant amount of money on Avalanche. If we then scroll down to the Avalanche Whale Smart Money metric right here, we can see that there is really heavy short trade sentiment for Avalanche right now. Typically, we're looking for moves down to actually happen around the negative 800 mark, and we are just about there. So it's very likely we could be seeing some short trades happening in the market soon. Now, this comes as we are testing structure resistance at $21.67 here. We just about touched that, just under it. We tested it there, and as of right now, it looks like, at least in my opinion, we could be seeing moves back down. And I want everyone to be paying attention to the $18.22 structure support moving forward. Heading on into the Avalanche long versus short trades. Now, this actually confirms what I said up here with Avalanche Whale Smart Money showing heavy short trade sentiment. Let me show you this real quick. You are seeing a very high increase in long trades that correlated to the move up. However, you'll also notice that there is long trades leaving the market. There's also a very short tick upwards in short trades, and I'm betting over the next few days we're going to see long trades drop out of the market while short trades increase. The combination of which will very likely result in moves down for Avalanche. Last but not least, I'm going to be taking you to the Avalanche Daily Trade Scanner. Now, we did get a sell signal a little prematurely here. It looks like we saw a short squeeze right here where a lot of people were expecting the price to move down, so they put in shorts. However, whales decided to push the price higher, which caused a very quick move up. This is somewhat common, especially as we transition from the bear market back into the bull market. A lot of people are beginning to transfer their sentiment from bearish to bullish. I know I personally am for a lot of coins. For now, I think we could see a sell signal either on the current candle or the next one, and as soon as we get that sell signal, that will be the indication for the next move down in Avalanche. Now, if you do trade Avalanche, you're going to want to pay attention to these metrics in the coming days. I think there's going to be some really important data coming out. And if you want to grab our membership, you'll also get access to that 15-win, 0-loss trading record, along with the brand new trade that was just posted and the future forecast videos, members-only content from Travis himself. If you want to get access, you just got to click the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the membership will be the very first link right there. Go ahead and click that, and that will bring you to our membership page. I personally recommend the full access for $59 a month, as this will include all 20 coins worth of metrics. It'll give you those scalping trade calls, that future forecast, and many, many more benefits. All you got to do is click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. With that, let's check out the live charts. Here we are back on the live charts. We're looking at Avalanche on the 1-day time frame right now. What you're seeing up here is the trend dashboard. This currently has 6 different indicators built into it. These are all traditional indicators that most people use. As of right now, we're seeing the majority are bullish right now, with the RSI bullish, MACD bullish, and all moving averages that we track, the 50, 100, and 200 looking bullish as well. However, the stochastic right here is the first one to look a little bit bearish, and as we see more red triangles post here, as Avalanche begins moving down, I think this will indicate heavy bearish sentiment. At the same time, the price versus while money flow is super high. The trend exhaustion has topped out on its chart. We did get a sell signal, again, a little bit prematurely, but I am expecting another sell signal to pop up here. And the combination of these three signals alone tend to be some of the most bearish that you can get in cryptocurrency. And as these begin turning red again, this will just further increase my bearish sentiment on Avalanche. Whales are very likely to begin moving out of the market, and as they do, this will typically drag the price down with it. As the price drags down, the trend exhaustion will reverse its sentiment moving down, and as we see downward momentum slow down here, as we approach a structure support right about here and these begin turning green again, that could be the point that we're looking for our next entry back into Avalanche. However, let's take a look. Let's zoom in a little bit and see where this could actually play out. The most obvious point is right about here on this structure support on this ascending triangle pattern. This did break to the upside, and very often prices will drag back down to retest that as a structure support. If we grab a horizontal line here just to really check out where this could be, we find structure support at 1845, just as we saw it. Let me go back here. Scrolling back down on the major support and resistance line. Okay, $18.22 is pretty accurate, but we do have to pay attention to the fact that this is not exactly horizontal on the structure supports. And because of that, it will be a little bit higher at $18.45. This is my current target, and from the current price, if we go to price range, this would account for about a 10% drop in Avalanche. And I don't think this is unreasonable. I think it will take a few days to play out. I will keep you updated on Avalanche. However, if you actively do trade AVAX here, you're going to want to grab all of these indicators in order to trade day by day. You'll also want to begin checking lower time frames, as this will help you get a better view of when things could play out. You can get $400 off all of these indicators, and it actually includes 11 total. In order to access all those, again, the links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators will be the second link right here. Go ahead and click that. That'll bring you to our indicator page with over 4,000 downloads and counting. Just to show you that these indicators really work, this person made $756 on their first trade, 4,300 in just a week, and over 1,000 using these indicators. In order to get the best possible deal, you'll actually want to grab the bundle pack first. This will include that trend exhaustion, price versus while money flow, and trend dashboard you saw me using. The indicator bundle pack will also include a $400 off coupon code for the TC top and bottom finder. Purchasing all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators is actually cheaper when using that $400 off coupon code than buying the TC top and bottom finder itself. So why not get the best possible deal? You'll get lifetime access for a one-time payment, and with over 4,000 downloads, you know you have some of the best tech in your hands. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.